I'm not sure if we want to know what's happening there. I put some resin on my headliner. I sell that on the interwebs because, you know, it's just kind of like a fiber mesh. It gets all floppy. That's my second coat. I had to put a little bit of mat there and down there where it was kind of cracked. And I got a bunch of parts in. I got new window motors. I got some trim pieces. I got the wrong headliner material. Ordered black, got tan. I got my wing in. Had to go pick it up from the shipping place. Didn't get a refund on the shipping though. And then look at here. I don't think that happened in shipping. It showed no sign of the box being damaged or anything. I think it's just a flaw. 500 and some bucks and I gotta fix it. But I ain't got time to complain and go through all that mess. I'm just gonna fix it and move along. That's what I'm gonna do. What else did I get in the mail? Oh, I got a sound deadening in the door project I'm going to do that I saw on 3rd Gen Guy, I think. I'm going to try that. So I got lots to do on the car, but I ain't doing it tonight. So stay tuned. Alright, it's Saturday morning. I've done been to work. I gave this another coat of resin the other night. Last night maybe, I don't know, don't remember. I wonder why it's kind of sticky. Anyway, I don't have the headliner material for it anyway, so I can't do that this weekend. I don't have much time anyways. I did get some headliner material. They sent the wrong color though. That ain't the right color. It's supposed to be black. So that ain't gonna work. I do have some window motors. I can go ahead and put those in. What else can I do? I was watching 3rd Gen Guy. I think that's his name. He's got a sound deadening plan. So I've got that stuff in. But I don't have the other stuff. So I can't complete that. But what I can do is I got some new door clippies in, and I need to get the rust off this. And as you can see, it has some hail damage. I'm gonna take care of that too. So I'm just gonna do as much as I can. That's what I'm gonna do. Ain't that neat? It's from where I set the thing upside down. Didn't do it that time, did it? You know, simple things, simple minds. You've heard the saying. Oh yeah, and it's a balmy 72 in here. Just how I like it. Well, I picked up a bag of sand that I've been safe keeping right there and put it in that bucket. And then underneath that bag of sand, I found the keys to the lawnmower I've been missing for about 3 months or so, or however long that bag's been sitting there. So that's good news. Did a little light sandblasting. This is the piece that goes between the T-tops. Look at there, a little rust hole. So I'm gonna have to weld that up with my torch. Shouldn't be no big deal. And then clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna put some Bondo on there, straighten it out, and paint it. That's what I'm gonna do. let me show you what this moron just did. So I had a little wire wheel on my drill motor. I'm trying to clean up. See, there's a little spot of rust there and a couple little places. Well, anyway, I stumbled and took out my paint. Doggone it. I guess what that means is I'm gonna have to, I gotta paint the wing anyway. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to mask off the whole car except this and paint it. What am I gonna do? What else am I gonna do? Can't leave that. Doggone. Look, I got it there too. Yep. Idiot. I should have put some masking tape down is what I should have done. But that ain't what I did do, so I'm going to have to pay the price. You know, that's kind of how life works, I guess. Well, that's a pretty big bummer right there. You know, I could use this as an opportunity to try to flow some paint in by hand and then sand it gently and then buff it and see how it turns out. You know, as a learning opportunity, but is that really what I want to do? Here's what I am going to do. I'm going to go to something different. I'm going to put a lift motor in this door right here. I've done watched the YouTube video and I feel like I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to do it. First thing I got to do is rip that plastic off the door. I done bought new stuff. Now both power window motors work in this car. The driver's side is a little slower than the passenger side. But it is a bit of an endeavor to do, so I think it makes good sense to go on and do it. I put new ones in my dually and it made quite a difference. So I think that's what I'm going to do here. Alright, got a new window lift motor in. It's a little bit faster than the old one. Not much, but basically what I did was there's stuff stuck to my thing there. My window lift motor. This piece is inside the door, attached to the window track deal. So what I did, instead of tearing all that apart, and there's videos on the YouTube about it, some better than others, but basically just drill the rivets out. Find where the rivets are, look up in behind there and drill out 3 holes, and then you can drill the rivets out of the bracket from the motor, and then the motor falls out. You pull it out of there, unplug it, put the new one in, and put in 3 screws. I think I did it in 10 minutes. If you're a smaller guy, you probably do it a little quicker. You know, old big boy has to get in contortions to get up in there and hold a 7mm wrench without wounding myself. You know, you can probably imagine. But here, let's see if it works. Well, I know it works. I already tried it. Here we go. Key on. That's pretty good for motor not running. Anybody ever had these old GM cars, you know the power windows, you about didn't want them. They weren't that good. Alright, now I got the window lift motor on that side. Everything works good. So I'm sitting here, I'm congratulating myself on a job well done while I'm sitting here. And I look over to my left, look here. What does that say? Trans Am interior parts. So I look inside. You know, I just been buying stuff from Hawks Performance and or whatever that place is. It sells crack spoilers, but anyways, that's a different story. Find this. I don't remember if that's in the trunk or not. I found these. I was missing them inside the car, I think. I bought some of these. There's one. I bought some of those. There's one. And I bought one of those. It's all right here in the box. Ain't that the way it goes? It's alright. I'm thankful. Well, anyways, I think I'm at a standstill. I should get my phone. With this project until I get some more stuff. I can't put the door panels on because I'm going to soundproof the doors. You hear it go ting rattle when I shut it. I'm waiting on a shipment of a few things. Maybe it'll come today. I don't know. I got to finish up that centerpiece that goes there and paint it so I can put the T-top seals in. I got to finish cleaning out all those channels. But I got to go somewhere anyways. Graduation party and then housewarming party. I'm gonna be partied out. I'll tell you a little secret. I don't really like going places. I'd rather stay here. But sometimes you're called upon to do the things you don't want to. So I'm gonna ring the bell. I'm going to invite you to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy a really cool coffee cup like that and hats and other such cool paraphernalia. Not that kind of paraphernalia, but Heavy Chevy paraphernalia. Alright, thanks.